Good morning, everyone. I hope you must have learned uh, salary. I told you, I have given you this assignment during last week only, and there was a huge gap of almost a week. Last Thursday, we have discussed about salary, and today we are again here uh, to proceed further, which will be based on salary, salary-based question. So I hope you must have done it. Yes or no? Okay. So irrespective of nomenclature, it might be any kind of name of salary. That is not important. It might be in the name of salary. It might be in the name of ex gratia. It might be in the name of commission, remuneration. And I have told you guys to go through this part, which is very, very integral and important. Okay, which comprises almost all elements of salary. By and large, not exactly, but by and large, everything related to salary. Now, before going into it, and I told you this will be the fixed format for all heads. We have started with salary. Similarly, we'll be having heads of house property, head of business and profession, head of other sources or capital gain, irrespective of it. This format will remain constant. Okay, uh, your name of SSC, legal status, PAN number, residential status, previous year, and assessment year. Previous year is fixed for all of us. Assessment year is also fixed for all of us. Till your exam, maybe regular exam or KT exam, for you guys, previous year is 2021. ये यश कौन है? रिपीट कर रहा है. Okay, and the assessment year will also be remain fixed, 21, 22. I think by this, after having more than a month of learning of taxation, these things is not new for us. Now, can you tell me what is the basic feature of tax? Had you ever, salary, any of you have worked, any of you are getting salary? Any of you are getting salary? None of you are getting salary. Okay, the basic feature what you are going to get in salary will be scale. Every year there will be an increment. So from there we will start our journey. Okay, you are in which scale? Because see, you must be knowing that is a basic phenomena of economics or any economic, that there will be inflation day by day. Things will be having costlier. Inflation, I hope you must be aware. Okay. To cope up those inflation, what is the agreement between employer and employee? That boss, every year there will be a fixed amount of enhancement in your salary so that you could be in a position to cope up those inflation and you can maintain your life, what you have, what you have decided with. So that is known as salary scale. And whenever there will be an employment, just now you have not got any employment opportunity. This year only you are going to get the offer letter, if possible. Like last year also, many of A division students got offer letter, and few of them they got the offer letter of 6.5 lakhs from Asian Paint also. Many of them they got 5 lakh ka package also. So I mean, whenever there will be offer letter and term of employment, in that term of employment, it will be very clearly mentioned what is your skill, and after what this will be an increment. or how much will be an increment. Okay, that is known as salary scale. Very important, an integral part of salary. So we'll be learning first that aspect, and then we'll be going to go for the other aspect of salary computation. Like this. Mr. Vinod is working in limited company since 2017, and his salary scale of 5,000, 1,000, 10,000, 2,000, 20,000. What it means? What is the meaning of this? I hope now it is visible for everyone. दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of it? So this is very basic of salary. Salary starts from here. It implies you will be in a package of 5,000. Your increment will be 1,000 till you are reaching to 10,000. Then your increment will be 2,000 till you are reaching to 20,000. Are you getting me? So 5,000 will be first year, 6,000 will be second year, 7,000 will be third year. Like that, once it will reach to 10,000, then the increment will be 2,000. From 10,000, it will be 12,000, 12,000 to 14,000, 14,000 to 16,000. Are you getting me or not? Till 20,000. This is the meaning of salary scale. Okay? If this is the scale, can you tell me what will be the salary for 21, 22 assessment year or 2021 previous year? What will be his salary? बताओ. 5,600 is absolutely rubbish answer.
$56,000.
56,000. I want the salary scale, not the total salary. 56,000 will be the salary for entire year. You meant to say that? Arey Baba, it's very simple. See, when he has started his journey, bolo. In your case, this is 2017, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
2018 में क्या हो जाएगा? 6,000. 2019 में क्या होगा? 7,000. 2020 में कितना होगा? Are you getting the salary scale now? Okay, am I right? So 17
Sure.
will start journey, 18, 19, 20.
So,
Yes, this will be 21,
so 20 में 12,000 क्या है?
22, यही तो सीखा है ना बेटा, 23. Because when once you will reach to the level of 10,000, then your increment is 2,000 per year. Understood? What is the meaning of scale? 10,000 के बाद हर एक साल कितना इंक्रीमेंट होगा? 2,000. So why 12,000? Because we have reached the level of 10,000. So now it will be, अगर आप देखेंगे और एक चीज मैं लिख देता हूं अभी. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे 24 में उसका कितना हो जाएगा? अब बता सकते हैं? What will be the scale? बोलो. Very simple it is. 14,000.
14,000.
Yes.
14,000.
Okay. Likewise it will increase. फिर जैसे 20 तक पहुंचेगा स्टॉप, उसके बाद इंक्रीमेंट नहीं है उसके. एज पर दिस. ओके. Even the advertisement what you get, okay, they will tell you the scale is in this range. Of course, this 5,000 is very easy for us to understand. बट अभी मैं आपको ब्रेक में टाइम दूंगा, आप गूगल करके मुझे बताओ ऐसा कौन कौन सा एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखा जिसमें स्केलिंग के साथ एम्प्लॉयबल एडवर्टाइजमेंट था. उसमें लिखा रहेगा 18,000 to 5,000. Likewise, I mean, any kind of scaling could be feasible and possible. Okay, you wanted to check that? ये देखो दिख रहा है 29,100 to 54,500 स्केल ऑफ पे दिख रहा है. एम्प्लॉयमेंट नोटिस.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting? So likewise there will be scale. इसमें सिर्फ इतना ही रहता है जब when you will go for the terms of employment, no, then there will be entire detail. इसमें भी रहेगा थोड़ा enlarge होगा. दिख रहा है again it is a pay scale advertisement. ना सारा कुछ क्यों आ रहा है? देखो यहाँ भी स्केल दिया हुआ है, दिख रहा है आपको? चीफ इंजीनियर एंड असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर स्केलिंग दिया 1,20,000 to 2 lakh, right? Likewise, understood what is the meaning of scale? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
There
Yes,
will
sir.
be scale. So here it will be 1,20,000 or 2,40,000. Every company, even for lecturership and everywhere, it is always on scale. Okay. Like right now, I am on the scale of 38,000 with the increment of 2,500. So likewise, there is a scaling. Till you are reaching to the next level, okay, this will be fixed. So in our case, Mr. Vinod was employed on 1st December. Okay, his journey started on 1st December 2017. Yes or no? This is what is given in the question. है ना? ऐसा जरूरी तो नहीं है that employment will start from 1st of April only. Is it there? Tell me yes or no. ऐसा जरूरी
No,
है?
sir.
Not possible. Not possible at all. आपको कभी भी जॉब मिल सकता है. Okay. So he started his journey on 1st December 2017 with the pay package of, let's say, अभी इसका 50 कर दोगे तो 50,000 हो जाएगा. You know, 10,000 का increment हो सकता है, 60,000, 70,000. Likewise, I mean, any scale we can have, because just now you have seen the scale of 120 to 280. Likewise, there will be scaling. So 2018 में क्या था? And what is the increment over here? The increment here is 1,000 rupees till 10,000. Am I right? So what we did, 5,000 to 6,000, 6,000 to 7,000, 7,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000. But after 10,000, it will be 12,000, 14,000, likewise. What is our previous year? What is our previous year? Tell me. For which year they are asking? They are asking for the year 2021. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will happen? We will start our journey from 1st April 20 to 31st March 21. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, 1st April 20 to 31st March 21, what will be the pay package? Bolo.
Sir, 21.
1st April 20, what will be the pay package?
$20.21.
So what will be the pay package? How much he will get, Mr. Vinod?
88,000.
1st April 20 को पगार कितना मिल रहा था उसको? 1st April को कितना पगार मिल रहा था?
56,000.
नहीं रे बाबा. See, you will be in the range of 7,000 or not? Because your 7,000 will be from 1st December 2019 and the 8,000 will come on 1st December 2020. So 1st April 20 ko pagar was how much? 7,000. Are you getting me or not? Yes or no?
Nice, sir.
उसका पगार देखो. 1st December 2019 को what was the पगार? 7,000.
7,000.
Okay. So 1st January 20 को कितना आएगा? 7,000. February 7,000. March 7,000. April 7,000. May till November it will be 7,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ यार. And from December, how much it will be? 8,000.
8,000.
So for how much period it will be 7,000? April to November? Yes or no?
For 8 months.
Yes. And December onwards? December, Jan, Feb, March, 8,000. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
यही लॉजिक है, यही समझना है आपको. Rest working is here. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is your solution number. This. Let me write here. '84, question number 4. Kindly take down this. Understood the logic of scaling?
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to do the next question. Same thing has been answered here also. देखो, I hope you must have understood. समझा? 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20, 20 to 21. है ना? तो 8 month के लिए 7,000, 4 month के लिए 8,000, total 88,000. क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
अभी देखते हैं कितना क्लियर है. ये वाला क्वेश्चन बताओ. समझ में आ जाएगा क्विकली. ठीक है. Seema is working in a government company from 1st September. Keep in mind, 1st September on a scale of 7,000, increasing to 800, reaching to 11,800. Then the increment is 1,000 till 20,800. What will be basic for 2021? क्या आएगा बेसिक बताओ.
Sir, 7,800, 8,600 is sir.
हाँ, same logic. With same logic it will go. Get me your answer quickly. Only the difference will be April to September and September to March. Yes or no? तो इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए यार. क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? ये डेट चेंज हो जाएगा ना. व्हाट इज द टर्म ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट? 1 सितंबर
1730
है ना. कौन से दिन को जॉब लगा है बताओ? 1 सितंबर 17 है ना. यहाँ पे आएगा 1 सितंबर. स्टार्ट क्या होगा जर्नी? $7,000 से ना. $7,000 का पैकेज है. नेक्स्ट ईयर कितना होगा? 18 में 7,800.
7800
19 में
7600
8,600. 20 में 9,400.
400.
हाँ
400.
400. फिर क्या आएगा? 10,200. आई थिंक हम लोग ये दो रेंज में रहेंगे. यस और नो? इनफैक्ट वो भी नहीं रहेगा, ये रेंज रहेगा मेरा.
Yes, sir.
1 दिसंबर 21 तो आएगा भी नहीं, है ना. यस और नो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
आ गया. कितने महीने हुए? अप्रैल टू सितंबर. अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर. हाउ मेनी मंथ? 6 months. yes or no? सितंबर को ही है ना.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट सितंबर को चेंज हो जाएगा ना. तो
Yes.
अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त सितंबर 6 months.
6 months.
6 month के लिए 8,600 एंड 6 month के लिए 9,400.
Yes, sir.
कितना आएगा बताओ?
So 83,000.
83,000. नहीं, 5 and 7 आ रहा है. अप्रैल टू अगस्त. अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त. हाँ 1 सितंबर को तो नया हो जाएगा. सॉरी. अप्रैल टू अगस्त एंड सितंबर टू मार्च. 5 and 7 months. बराबर. It is not very complicated, very simple. समझा क्या स्केलिंग? चलो अभी मैं वापस एक क्वेश्चन में क्या यही तो क्वेश्चन। ओके, दोनों क्वेश्चन में एक चीज करो। आई हैव taught you from 2017, no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Make it from 2015. Change it to 2015. Again, I'm telling you. Change it to 2015 and keep your answer ready. I will check after the break at 9 o'clock. Start your journey from 2015 and get me the answer. Okay? For both the questions, I want the total, gross total salary. Okay? So again, we will meet after the break at 9. Till then, I want this scaling wala. Both the question you start from 2015 and get me the answer. What will be the total salary for previous year 2021? Am I clear? तो ये तो आप लोग ये सब रखो वर्किंग के लिए. I want your answer after the break. Again, I'm telling you, we are going to meet with the same login ID password. Still, I will forward you the login ID and password.